Volcanoes are windows into our planet's fiery heart. They can be serene creators of land, like the islands of Hawaii, or they can explode with the force of a nuclear bomb. The secret to their personality isn't size or location, but the stickiness of the molten rock brewing deep inside. First, let's get the names right. When this molten rock is underground, it's called magma. Once it breaks through to the surface, we call it lava. And that magma stickiness, its viscosity, determines everything that happens next. Imagine magma that's runny, like warm syrup. Gases can bubble out of it easily. When this low viscosity magma erupts, the lava flows gently across the land. Over thousands of years, these runny flows build massive, broad mountains called shield volcanoes. Think of Mauna Loa in Hawaii, a giant that slopes gently into the sea. They build land, but they rarely explode. Now, picture magma that's thick and pasty, like cold honey. This high viscosity magma acts like a cork, trapping immense amounts of gas. Pressure builds and builds, like a violently shaken soda can. When the rock above can no longer contain it, the result is a catastrophic explosion. This is how composite volcanoes, like Mount Fuji, are born. They are steep, picturesque cones built from alternating layers of thick lava and explosive ash. These are the truly dangerous ones, capable of unleashing pyroclastic flows, scorching avalanches of gas and rock that incinerate everything in their path. From the quiet land builders to the explosive giants of the Pacific's Ring of Fire, volcanoes are a constant, powerful reminder of the restless energy shaping our world from the inside out.